A key thing is meeting new people, so as well as the sessions provided by student support services, we have a range of opportunities that you can meet other students here at UEA. We have over 200 student societies, including some focused specifically on mental health, such as Student Minds and Nightline. As well as this, we also run a buddy scheme, which is a great way of tackling loneliness and introducing new first-year students to university life.
Giving to others is a really important part of our well-being, and there are a number of ways in which you can do this at the UEA. Why not consider volunteering for the UEA sports scheme, joining the buddy scheme, or perhaps even volunteering for one of the charitable societies available?
We all know that taking part in physical activity is really important for your well-being, and here at UEA there are plenty of opportunities for you to take part in physical activity, ranging from our Navigate Norfolk scheme, which is brand new this semester. You can join one of our 58 sports clubs and even take part in the staff and student Ziggurat Challenge.
Learning isn't just done in the classroom. There's a number of different ways that you can pick up skills here at UEA. We offer a Do Something Different programme with a range of activities happening throughout the year, and also starting a business at university can be really rewarding, and the Student Enterprise Service put on a range of workshops that allow you to do just that.
Be mindful. This means just taking a moment just to pause during your day to reflect upon what's available around you. At the UEA we have a number of ways of doing this. You could perhaps consider using the Open Up app or engage with one of the wellbeing workshops available via the Student Support Service. Alternatively, if you're a PGR student, why not engage with the Wellbeing Courage project?